Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 8, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan and I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. This lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. Before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about pronunciation skills, syllable words. Our today's students' learning outcomes are make anagrams from simple 1 to syllable words. Recognize and apply capitalization to the initial letter of proper nouns, names of holidays, special events, and groups. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran by the fig and the olive and by Mount Sinai and by this secure city, i.e. Makkah. We have certainly created man in the best of stature. Surah 13, verse number 1 to 4. Yes, my dear students, in these beautiful verses are telling us about the texture of a man, how Allah has created man with a pious like stature and created that by the fig and olive oil. And we are born pious when Allah has created us. Let's refresh our knowledge. What is an anagram? What do you know about capitalization? Pause the video and answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, I hope you have done it. Excellent. Anagram. What is an anagram? A word that is rearranged to make another meaningful word is called anagram. Yes, my dear students, the word rearranged means that we have to arrange again these words. Often any word we can rearrange to make another word, but that other word must be meaningful. It is formed using all the original letters exactly once. All letters of a next word that we are going to rearrange, so we can use all these letters just for one time. Let's see a few examples are there. You can judge that. Art. This is art. And we have rearranged it in rat. Look that R. There is R, A, and T. Rat. This is called an anagram. Few other examples are there. Reap. This is reap, and we have arranged and we made a new and meaningful word, pear. And this is a fruit. We already know and we also like it. Tail. And we made a new word, late. Yes, coming late is not a good habit, so we must not be late. Dim. Mid, that all words we have used for one time. You can judge that difference. Horse, shore. We can say that that is a beach and a beautiful place to visit. Teach. It is a teacher and she is teaching, and we made cheat. We made that word, this is a word, but God hates people who cheat. We must not cheat. This is a bad habit. Yes, these all are called anagrams, and we made that we used all letters just for one time. We have used all these words, and these all words are also meaningful words. Lime, mile. This is showing distance, and this is lime. We can make lemonade and we can enjoy. Ruby is a beautiful stone, and bury. We bury something into the soil. Yes, now we will learn with activity. List the words and their anagrams in two separate columns and in different order. Then ask your child to match the anagrams by drawing a line between each pair. Write few words, make two columns, my dear teachers, on the board, and write anagrams with different, and students will match the same anagram. Perform this activity in class and enjoy. Yes, I hope you have enjoyed it. Excellent. Yes, open book, page number 62, question number 6. Rearrange the following words to make new words. So now you have to rearrange all these words and you will make new words. Perform this activity in your class and enjoy. Yes, what is capitalization? The practice of using capital letters in writing is called capitalization. We know that we have to capitalize the first letter of the sentence even when we are writing a sentence, when we start a sentence. So we have to capitalize the first letter of the sentence. Even that is a common noun, but in sentence we have to capitalize the first letter. And the first letter of the first word of a sentence and the names of days, months, people and places are always in capital form. Yes, my dear students, already we have learned about that nouns, proper nouns, names of peoples, places, when we give our name, so then we have to capitalize these also. First letter of names are always capital, of places, names of places, first letter always we have to capitalize these words. And also in example you can see that Monday, first letter capital, January, month of a year, and this is the days of week. Alia, it's a name of a girl, so that's why we have to capitalize the first word, first letter. Pakistan, that is our beloved country, we have to capitalize. Kashmir, this is also our beloved country, and we can pray for Kashmir, Allah Almighty bless them, freedom, etc. So we have, when we are giving name to any place, any person, so we have to capitalize the first letter. Open your book, and this is your homework, my dear students. You will write question number 7 on page number 63 in your notebook. This is question number 7, and you have rewrite the following sentences by capitalizing the letters. You have to capitalize these letters in your notebook. You will rewrite these sentences in your notebook in your homework. Yes, this is worksheet and this is given into the description box. You may click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form. Wrap up what we have learned today. Today we learned about anagrams and how words can be rearranged to form a new meaningful word. We also learned about capitalization of days, months, people and places. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, make anagrams from simple 1-2 syllable words. Recognize and apply capitalization to the initial letter of proper nouns, names of holidays, special events and groups. And thank you so much, and I hope you have enjoyed it. See you soon, inshallah.